Drones. Yes, number 10 is drones. Number 10 on the list of things you not to bring on a cruise are drones. Right now, Royal Caribbean is the only cruise line that will allow passengers to bring aboard a drone. John Hield from Carnival announced on May 18th that Carnival is adding drones to its banned list. I know there's some people out there who are very good pilots and they know what they're doing, but there's so many people who are inexperienced. Plus, there's many people who are flying drones where they shouldn't be when they're off the ship as well. So many people don't know about the rules, where they're going, and they're bringing their drones anywhere. So you do not bring your drones. Most likely, it's going to be taken away. Number 9 on the list is candles, fireworks, or something like cooktops. These are things that can cause a fire, and fire is one of the most dangerous things that occur on a cruise ship. They're very strict on fire hazards. If you're looking for a special scent for your room, then look for some sort of plug-in scent. Towels. You don't need to bring towels. There's towels everywhere on a cruise ship. You're looking for a beach towel? Well, most likely you're going to be able to sign one out when you get off the ship to go to the beach. They've got them up on deck, and sometimes you even have a couple in your room as well. If you're going to try to pack a towel, go ahead. That's fine, but I think you're wasting space in your luggage if you bring your own towel. If you find this information interesting, please hit the like button. Subscribe would be great as well. Anyway, number 7 on our list are wheeled transportation, such as rollerblades, Heeley shoes, scooters, or hoverboards. People can just get out of control. You can get really congested on cruise ships in some areas, and these things can be dangerous to other people. Of course, medically approved wheel devices are okay, like wheelchairs and so on. Firearms. Don't bring your firearms and ammunition on board, including any realistic replicas. Do we really have to say why? Just leave them at home. You don't need them on a cruise ship. Your own coffee pot. That's a fire hazard. I know some places the coffee's not that great, the free stuff, but if you look around, you can find some good options. You're gonna have to pay for it though, but don't bring your own coffee pot. No matter what you do, it is a fire hazard. Also, your own satellite disk, routers, and other internet-related equipment. You can't bring those on board either. Those will get confiscated. It would be kind of cool if you've got Starlink maybe, but don't bring any of that equipment on board. Handcuffs or other restraining devices. You might get away with those fuzzy ones if you're into that type of thing, but regular ones, no, they'll take those away. Clothing iron or steamers. Clothing steamers. I know your clothes will get wrinkled when you bring them on board. If you need them ironed, washed, please use the onboard services provided. You might have to pay a few dollars, but clothing iron and steamers are fire hazards as well. And the number one thing you should not bring on board is alcohol. Yes, you can bring on a bottle of wine or 2 with your carry-on, but that's it. If they catch you trying to bring on any other alcohol, they will take it away from you. I know there are several ways people do sneak alcohol on board, but really, they really don't want you to bring your own alcohol on board. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this list of another top 10 things you should not bring on a cruise ship. Hope you have a good day. Bye.